Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I wanted to explain to you guys how I find cryptocurrency pairs to trade on the Gunbot, and also sort of how I find coins that I might want to hold for the long to short term that might go up in value, a very substantial amount. Some of these coins that have already moved up will include Omise Go, Neo, Stratus, all of these coins. I'll tell you guys how to find the ones that will be the next Omise Go, the next coin that goes up 1,000%, sort of where I look for that, and also how I find my trade pairs for Bittrex. And if you guys want, join my group in the description where I put daily pairs, but hopefully after this video you will also be able to find your own pairs to trade on the Gunbot. So anyways, first off here, today was a very good day for me. I made around 6% profit from yesterday in terms of my trading and my Bitcoin amount on the trade bot here. So I'll go ahead and show you some of the orders, some of the coins that did really well today for me. UBQ, Stratus. I put some coins on here that I thought might be pretty good long-term positions for the bot too. That include Litecoin and Dash. Also, Stratus could also be seen as a longish term position for the bot. But here you can see today was an amazing day of trading. I had a ton of trades, all of them profit. And if you see here on my balances, I pretty much have almost no bags besides Dash is the only thing I'd say is a bag. UBQ, I opened this position not too long ago. And yeah, so pretty much now I'll show you guys how I find what pairs to trade. So pretty much all I do here is I go up to here, and the most important thing whenever we're finding coins is obviously the amount of volume, because you want the bot to, once it makes a sell order, for it to sell immediately. You don't want it to be trading a coin that's really small and has super low trade volume, because then you might have sell orders that never get filled or buy orders that never get filled. So I recommend you look for high volume coins. I wouldn't go anything below these coins right here. Anything less than these volume of coins is probably not that good for the bot to trade. But anyways, so pretty much what I do is I go here and I look for coins that are on an uptrend. Now some people have been asking me, like, should I trade Neo, should I trade a bunch of these different coins that look like they're good in the long trend? Like, for example, should I trade PivX right here? Now PivX does actually look okay, but let me find a better example. Like, should I trade Steam? Now whenever you see the Steam charts, right, you may think, oh well, it has a lot of volatility, so it might be profitable. The bot could have bought here, sold there, make profit. Now the only scary thing about downtrend coins whenever you're trading on the bot, and I'll move over here to give you more of an example, is, okay, maybe you start the bot trading here because you think it's super volatile and it can make some profit, but then what if the bot buys, what if it buys around here? What if it thinks, oh, this is going to start another downtrend, right? And then it buys here. There's no spike. It's never going above the Bollinger Band, right? You're just holding a bag this whole time right here, because the bot is not going to close a position that's over the amount that it bought it for. So pretty much if you buy it here, if you're on a coin that's downtrending, you buy it here, you're never going to make profit. These are the coins that you want to avoid. So why I'd avoid Steam for right now is because, as you can see here, it's on a downtrend, and say you buy here and it never spikes back up again, right? Say it never goes above this point, then you're stuck with that bag and you're just losing money. It's not a good coin that you should be even looking at, because you're just losing money on it. So pretty much the most important part about choosing a coin to trade is trend, and pretty much making sure that it's never dumping. Now another good thing to look at is also if it's going sideways. As you can see here, it's hitting around the same highs and the same lows. It's not really trending downwards, it's just saying sideways. This could also be a good coin to trade right here. Nexus. Now the only scary thing about coins like this that have just spiked and are sort of consolidating is that they may soon after consolidating hit a downtrend. So that's why I think these coins may be a little bit riskier, and that's why I tend to look for coins that are consolidating at the bottom rather than after a pump. So let's go ahead and look at UBQ. This has been getting a lot of trades. So UBQ, I think I started trading around here. So it happened to go up a lot. So this is a coin that I might stop trading after today, just because, today it made a lot of good trades going on this uptrend, but now I can see it's consolidating at the top, so I might stop it. But if the coin was right here, and the most important part for looking for coins for the bot is just looking at the trend line, right? So this is a perfect trend right here. You see there's lots of volume. It's going up and down just a little bit. Let's go ahead and look at the 5-minute. So as you can see, it's going down, but it's still maintaining its uptrend. These are coins that are really great to trade because the bot could have bought here with Bollinger Band and then waited for it to go all the way up here and then sold. Now another thing I found out, guys, is that the Bollinger Band is actually, if you want to see exactly what the bot sees, you have to set the standard deviations to 50, and the moving average type is default 2, and that's correct. And then you'll be able to see exactly what the bot sees. So this is what the bot sees whenever you're choosing Bollinger Band on the bot. So pretty much, you could have bought like down here, sold up there. But anyways, that's one way you can find a good coin. Now obviously, let's look for some other coins up here. I also like coins that have gone up that day because usually it means it's going to consolidate the next day. Obviously anything like over 20% I would stay away from, like NAV right here, because you can see it's on an uptrend but it's consolidating. If you bought here, if you bought like right here, it would be really risky because you never know if it's going to go back up. So this is a coin I would stay away from. But pretty much that's how it works. I just go through a ton of coins. I look at all the high volume ones, see if they're on an uptrend or if they're just going sideways. Like this coin right here, this is a perfect coin that you could have traded on the bot. Although it is a little bit risky that it just pumped all the way up to this higher price, it still did consolidate for a while, and it's just moving sideways. So this coin would have been a great one to trade. Next up, I'll show you guys what coins I'm looking at for the future, what coins you guys should maybe pick up right now. So pretty much how I find coins that I might want to hold for the long trend is I look down at around the 50s. This is my magic number. This is what I like to look down at in terms of market cap, because these are the coins that have potential. People already see potential because it's in the top 100, obviously. So these are not horrible coins. And then what I do is I go ahead and click on it and go to their website and maybe watch a video about it or read some articles about it, maybe search for a YouTube video about it, and make sure that I like the technology behind it and it's filling something new in the cryptocurrency space. So that's what I like to do to look for really good coins. I would stay away from coins that have already gone up like 100% in a day, like Verge right here. Although it has been an uptrend, this is still what I'd say a risky coin because it could dump. But around the 70s, I would just look at all these coins and see which ones you like, see what technology you like. But another thing that I will warn you about is not all of these coins are going to succeed. So these are a little bit higher risk trades, but they can make you a ton of profit. Just like if you invested in something like Stratus when it was number 50. Only at a few dollars or something. That's the point that you'd want to buy it at. Down here before it really even started this huge spike. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video today. Once again, thank you guys so much for the support. My channel has been growing insanely fast, and see you in the video tomorrow.